Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Have you just opened Empower and you're feeling a little lost? Well, let's take a quick tour of the dashboard so you can know exactly where everything is. First step is to log in. So of course, sign into your Empower's personal dashboard at empower.com or on the mobile app. Next is the overview tab. Now, by default, you're gonna land on the overview page. And here you're going to see your total net worth, your recent transactions, as well as a quick snapshot of your accounts. Next is main menu navigation. Now on the top or the side menu, you're going to find key sections such as overview, accounts, banking, investments, planning, and budgeting. Now, quick links and tools. You want to look for shortcut widgets like network tracker, cash flow charts, and investment performance right on the home page. For filters and time ranges, you can use the filter and date range drop downs to customize what data you see daily, monthly, or yearly. And the final one is account details. You can click on any accounts to drill down into detailed transactions, balances, and performance. Now you can move around Empower like a pro. In the next video, we're going to cover how to interpret Empower's security and privacy settings so that your data stays safe. And that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.